Thank you very much for the invitation. And this effort that I'd like to talk about is a project that we do with support from DARPA on what is called assured autonomy. And I'm just serving as PI, but obviously it is a work of quite a number of people, some of whom are listed here. These are my co-PIs on the project. So now I'm looking at the next slide. Has it advanced? Can you see it?
Yes.
All right, thank you. So the motivation for the project was the following. It turns out that AI or machine learning based approaches are increasingly being used in various systems. And AI and this sort of deep learning especially has shown that it is capable of solving certain problems that are not very easy to find analytical models for. But on the other hand, we have huge amounts of data. And often solutions created using these techniques, what we call data-driven solutions, are good enough or sufficiently enough, or possibly the only solution for problems. So what all this led to was the introduction of what we call learning-enabled components, or LECs, that you can think of as a component in a larger system, typically implemented in software, that solve some very specific functional problem. So what are these LECs? These are not designed but trained with the help of data. And really the design is about finding an architecture, a multi-layer network of nonlinear elements, and some sort of training method. And as we well know, there are three types of main training methods: supervised learning, that's basically learning and mapping; unsupervised learning, which is about discovering interesting patterns in data; and reinforcement learning, that trains a controller that observes results of actions on the environment, and based on those results, that can yield a reward or a punishment. It will adjust the appropriate weights in the neural network. And this training may continue at runtime. Now, what is different here? So if we want to do the engineering of such systems, we have to go through a couple of steps. So first, we need to obtain the data. We need to collect the data